Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, we had a great weekend. Saturday was amazing. Now we're kind of back into reality here, but things will be changing here as we go through the upcoming week here. I'm just going to start here. We do have a chance for just a little bit of precip tonight as well as Tuesday night. Nothing widespread, nothing too heavy, but a couple places could see some rain or snow showers out there. We will see a nice warm-up for the middle of the week. Not as warm as we got on Saturday, where some places touched 70 degrees, but it will be warmer out there. And also watching the chance for some snow for later in the week, which I'll get to here in just a second. Right now, we'll take a look outside of the satellite and radar picture. We have a weak disturbance sliding through. I've been checking a lot of the DOT cameras. Not a lot of what you're seeing here is reaching the ground. In fact, I'll take you outside to Williston right now, and you can see the roads are still dry out there after that precipitation made its way through. The air is still so dry that a lot of that precip is evaporating as it's trying to reach the ground here. 33 in the Williston area right now with those south winds at 6 miles an hour, giving you a very tolerable wind chill at 28 degrees. Here's a look at temperatures elsewhere. I'll zoom it in for a closer look at your neighborhood here. You can see most places cooler to the east where they've got that snowpack still in place. 24 in Medina, but 44 in Hettinger back across the west where they don't have any snowpack right now. Further to the north, not too bad. 34 in Plentywood, 32. Good evening to our friends in the Magic City. But still, if you look to the east, 27 up near the Turtle Mountains here. Winds not too bad. Very calm today out of the southeast and south, between 5 and about 7 miles an hour. Wind should continue to die down as we go through the evening here. As I roll Precision Cast into motion here, we're going to have a weak disturbance slide by to the south in the overnight hours. Now, a lot of this looks more impressive than what it'll be, but I think far southwestern sections of North Dakota, that's where they have the best chance to see some raindrops or some snow flurries fly through the air here. And that system will get out of here tomorrow, which shapes up like another nice day, as does Wednesday. Actually, the rest of the week here also looks good. Again, this looks a little bit more impressive than it will be. We talked about that warm-up that's coming. I'll explain why. Right now, we got a dip in the jet stream, kind of a zonal flow here setting up. But this will be lifting to the north, and that will allow a lot of that warm winds from the southwest to feed into our area. Unfortunately, it won't last too long because the jet stream will dip back to the south, ushering in more colder Canadian air. If you're wondering about snowfall, here's what we're at right now. 48.6 inches for the season, just slightly above where we should be for this time of the year, and just an inch or two above where we were at this point last year of 45.2 inches. Forecast tonight for the capital city, a rather tranquil one. 24 degrees, maybe a couple of flurries developing as we get toward the dawn hour, but really nothing that should impact you too much. About the same thing in the Magic City, except no snow tonight. A nice, comfortable night. 21, you can see those winds, very light and variable. Lows tonight, everybody should bottom out in the mid to upper 20s. A little bit cooler to the east where they'll be in the lower teens again, thanks to that snowpack. 3-day forecast for Dickinson looking like this. Not a lot of precipitation you can see there, but winds will be on the increase over the next couple of days, up there 40 miles an hour on Thursday, but you can see 53 there on Wednesday. Same thing in the Williston area, a nice sunny day on Wednesday. Here's a look at the extended forecast for Bismarck, and what you will notice here is clouds and sunshine, but as we get toward the weekend, we are watching the chance for a system that could, emphasis on could, impact us for the weekend, although some of the latest data here is suggesting that snow is looking more and more likely, but way too early, guys, to start worrying about amounts and things like that yet.
Well, we can worry. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
When we come back, after becoming even a smaller world after all, a popular Chinese tourist attraction reopens, but not entirely.
Plus, despite saying he would, authorities say Prince Andrew is not being cooperative.